I'm going to show you how to easily open and properly wear your Whoop, which we have right here. Now, the first thing you need to know is we open it just like this. It comes in this upward motion like a half circle, and you basically just want to pull from the W side and you pull it open like so. Now, it's going to take some effort, and you can see once you've pulled, it'll just come up like that. And all you do is, now that it is open, you can simply put this on your wrist. And once you've slid the open Whoop on your wrist, like I've done so here, you can simply fold the clasp back up just like this, and you can see that's how you put it on your wrist. But to wear it properly, what we need to do is we might need to adjust our strap. You can see mine is just a little bit too tight right now, so what I'm going to want to do to open it is you simply just want to pull up from the W once again, and you can see it'll open up like so. And a good general rule of thumb when wearing a Whoop is you want it to be 2 finger widths from your wrist bone, which is this bone right here. So if you put 2 fingers right here, you can see you want your Whoop about right here, so it can read the most accurate data possible. And all we want to do to loosen it is you want to unclasp this thing right here. It's just a very loose clasp, and you can actually see we can push this thing up a little bit. It's just like a normal wristband that we adjust, like a belt loop, and you can see we can just adjust that like so. And if you want to tighten it, you push this longer in just slightly through the hole and just pull like so. And to close it up again, all we're going to want to do is we again just strap this little clip on, and you can actually see you want to put it on your wrist. And it's important that you make sure that the Whoop logo is actually facing you when your arm faces this, and make sure that it is not upside down. Not that it will interfere reading your data, but it's important to make sure it's facing this direction. You can read the W when your wrist is like this and not upside down or inside it out like so. And when we slip it back on our wrist, you can simply close it up and you're good to go. You just want to keep it slightly higher up. You don't want it on the bone itself. About 2 finger lifts, just keep that in mind.